In this video, we will primarily focus on demonstrating the use of Reveal in action. The first thing you're going to see is the Reveal dashboard. In the middle of the screen, you will see the results of your website visitors. These are the companies that have visited your website. You can view the company name, and you will also find links that lead to their website and social profiles like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Crunchbase. Additionally, you can see when the company last visited your website, and you can also see how closely this company matches your ideal customer profile. All this information you see on this dashboard can be fully customized by clicking that gear icon on the top right. From here, you can select the most useful data that you want to see on the main screen. For example, it might be that the industry is something you want to see right away, so you can select that instead of the default ones. If you click on any of the leads, you will notice that on the right side, you can see much more information about that specific lead. You can see every session and page the visitor viewed. See the UTM parameters of visitors to understand which campaign they originated from. Additionally, you can see the number of visits a specific visitor has had over time. One of the most advanced features of Happierleads is the ability to deliver the right contact details. From hundreds or thousands of employees working in a business, we're able to identify the top 3 people you should talk to. Our AI compares visitor IP locations with employee locations on LinkedIn. It also checks for matching skills to determine which employee was the actual visitor. Finally, it takes into account your own input about the appropriate departments, job titles, and seniority levels. This way, Happierleads simplifies finding the right contacts for you. A common myth is that we must always follow up with the same person who initiated the visit. However, there are 2 main reasons why this isn't necessarily true. In business to business, the company has the problem, not the individual. Usually, in a business, there are multiple key decision makers. If you target the right people in the right department and seniority, you've done most of the work. Imagine that from millions of companies, you have followed up to the right company in the right department, and you picked the top 3 people based on seniority and job titles. Another reason to talk to more than one person during a visit is that if the exact visitor doesn't like to move ahead with your solution, someone else on the team might. Talking to another team member could improve your chances of working with the business. You'll learn more about this in the upcoming video, where we'll discuss lead scoring. Something of which we are proud is ensuring you receive fresh and valid emails by scraping and verifying contact details at the time of the visit. This ensures the people you want to contact still work there and prevents emails from bouncing back. On the left side, you can see the filters. You can filter your website visitors based on attributes like revenue, page visited, location, employee size, and more. Once you are done with your filtering, you can either export your data using the CSV button, or you can create segments of your website traffic. We are using segments for 2 reasons. The first is so we can quickly access a specific type of visitor using the segment menu here. And the second reason is that we can use those saved segments as part of rules for triggering specific automations, which we will explore in a future video. You can also tag specific visitors with our pre-configured tags, or you can create your own. This will help you assign specific visitors to a colleague or group leads by category. If for any reason you decide to remove a lead because it doesn't meet your expectations, we automatically refund the credit and ensure you won't see that lead or visitor again. Don't forget that by default, you only see visitors from the last 7 days. If you want to expand your results, you have to use the date filter.